If you are over 14 and thinking about making money online, you are always wondering where to start. Well, I got you. In this series on my channel, I will guide you through the terms that are very strange looking, and I will help you overcome the fear of starting and explain exactly what the terms are and how to get them in order for you to start making money as soon as possible. Today I'm going to show you what a lead magnet is and how you can create for free. And if you stick until the end, I will give you a free resource you can download and use as your own. So grab a cup of coffee and let's get started. So what exactly is a lead magnet? A lead magnet is a free guide or a free resource you can give your audience for free, just for exchange for their contact details, usually email and first name. So you can build your email list. I will explain more about email lists in the next video, but for now you need to have something you can give your audience for free in exchange for email. A lead magnet is usually an ebook, a checklist, an infographic, or a mini course. If you're serious about making money online, making a lead magnet is a first step you need to do in order to grow your email list and thus your business. And the best thing is it doesn't have to be complicated. Let me give you a few options where you can get those lead magnets for free or a little bit of money. You're probably thinking, where do I get all these lead magnets? I don't know where to start. Well, for free options, you have so-called PLR website. PLR stands for Private Label Rights and usually give you the right to download a ready ebook. You can change the content and sell it or give it away for free. You need to check the license. The two websites that are most famous are IDPLR and PLR.me. The links will be in the description. So you can go there, and those are the free option. The paid option that I like is so-called PLR database. It has like, I think, $10 a month subscription, but you can then download all the resources there. And they have a ton of categories, and they update and add new resources almost weekly. And the best thing is they even add a lot of, they will give you like whole sales pages and maybe even videos for you. Or if you are adventurous, you can go and find a freelancer on Fiverr or Upwork and let that person create a lead magnet for you. Now, if you want to create something more personalized and have more control, I suggest artificial intelligence. You heard about ChatGPT. And the good thing is, I will give you 50 of my top prompts I use to generate my lead magnet in the niche of make money online for people over 40. But you can easily adjust and tailor that prompts to use in your own niche. Just copy these prompts into your ChatGPT. The ChatGPT will generate drafts for your ebook or checklist or guide or whatever you ask him to do. These prompts work very nice because they are training the model to give you more high quality content. To make it even easier, I added all my 50 prompts into a Google Doc, which you can get in the description totally free. You don't even need to give me an email address. So if you like this video, like and subscribe, and don't forget to watch this video next, in which I explain 2 business models you can use to start making money as soon as possible.